Hi lovely people, Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi. How are you? Hope you're doing okay. How's been your day? How is work? How is everyone? Alhamdulillah, I am doing fine. Today's video, I really don't want to talk a lot because I want you to concentrate and enjoy the beauty of this jewelry today. Yes. Naye nga bambi, don't forget to come and support me at Bugolobi Motive. Yeah, tugenda kwerayo ku Motive Bugolobi inshallah on Saturday, this Saturday 27th. Please come and support me. I have a lot of beautiful things. Please. And thank you so much those ones that are following me on TikTok, on YouTube, Instagram. Thank you so much for liking, for commenting, for subscribing, for following. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. May God bless you for me. Yes, this is the jewelry today. So pretty. So I'm not going to talk a lot so that you can enjoy the beauty of it. Thank you so much. Please, lovely people, make your orders please. Muyinza okugamba bannaaye obuntu bwe ku Motive wokka. No, you can still make your orders. I'll still make them. Naye nga jewelry mulabe, you have it alone mu nsi yonna, because nga bw'okalaba wano ne bw'ŋŋamba nkaddemu n'ongamba nkolenga ako, I cannot do exactly nga bwe kali. That's the uniqueness of this jewelry. That's the uniqueness of crafting. Ekintu obeera okiyina wekka, sisobola kukaddamu nga bwe kali, because if I do it, I'll do something similar to that, but not exactly the way it is. So ogula jewelry ng'omumanyi omuyina wekka, si bino bya uniform okambadde n'otuuka mu taxi n'oli akambadde mufaanagana, oli agenda kutunda bintu bye ate gw'ogenda ku mukolo. Please, this is unique jewelry that everyone needs to have. If you have made it this far, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing and follow. Like this video please, and leave a comment. It makes me really happy. I do really appreciate it. Thank you. Please take care. Stay safe. We meet in another video. I sign out and bye-bye.